got lots of stuff on top of them.
Yeah, we can't get to it yet.
Yeah. You see him anymore, Rich?
It's still covered. Oh, hey, I got him. Or I feel him.
They got the same bird for me, Krista. Yes, because I didn't want to die.
Get away from you?
He didn't move. He's kind of wedged in there.
You're a hero. It's up there.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Come on.
Yay! Oh my gosh, he is saved.
Get a picture, Billy?
Hold on. Don't fly, bird. Hold on, Krista. I want to take a picture of it because I saved it.
Fly away, buddy. Fly away.
What kind of bird is that?
Oh no, don't fly away yet.
Don't fly into traffic.
I got a picture of you.
Something wrong with him.
I can't see. And wait, my camera. He can't fly?
Captain Story, the hero of the day.
Nah, just making sure.